So over here, you can see that I have a design file right here. And if you want to, let's say, for example, sync across your design between multiple files, then you can go around over here and use something called the library. So if you were to go to my library right here, you can see that I already have some items that I made. So if I were to click on insert, then you can see that you can insert these items as many times as you want. So if you want to create out your own library items, you can use around shapes or any of the things right here like pictures and so forth. So let me just go around over here and use this a shape right here. I'm going to go around onto fill and then fill it out with a color of my choice. And then I'm going to go around into border and then increase around the border according to how I like. So this is what I have, as you can see. And you can also click on add text to add in a text over here. So let's say I want to turn this into a library item. Then I can go around, click and drag this around. I can right click and I can click on add to library. So once I do that, on the left side in my library section, you can see that this is being inserted right here. Just like this, there's this library item. So if I were to actually go around and click on new project right here, just like this, or you can open up an existing project as well. So I'm just going to open out an Untitled Infographics template right here. So let me just go around and say test 2 right here and click on anyone on web, click on continue. And what happens is that when the design loads up, I can add from the library. So from the left side, you can click on my library right here. And from over here, you can click on different library items, as you can see, and then you can bring it in. And this is the one that we made in the previous file right here. If you want to manage out your library, you can also go on to the main home page right here. So let me just go around over here back. So I'm going to go around onto the main Prezi page. So let me just go around, just type in prezi.com right here. And then once I do that, what happens is that there is the library option over here. And if you were to access this, you can see that you have the library right here. You got these 3 library items and you can go around and then you can download this as PNG as well. And you can even delete out the library items that you don't want anymore. And that is how you can sync up between designs by using library items. And that is how you can add things to library inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.